Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can restart a Huawei phone. So that's a very quick and simple thing to do. You gotta hold the side power button for a few seconds. Even if the Celia voice assistant appears, just don't mind it. Keep holding the side power key until the power off menu appears. Then tap at the restart button. Tap once again to confirm, and then your Huawei phone gets successfully rebooted. Now let's wait so I can show you, or rather so I can prove that to you. So as you can see, the device was successfully reloaded, so that will conclude this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.